I'm not doing anything. Okay, I'm gonna go get a bowl though. Do you think these are going to float or not? Oh, they float like little boats. Okay. So, do you remember how we were watching that movie Inside Out? And that girl had some things in her brain that looked like circles, shiny circles. They feel nice? Okay, let's put them back in here for a sec. These are like memories, right? Isn't that fun? Anyways, in your brain, yeah. So, you know, what we're going to do...
Can we close that door with the air conditioning on?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm actually on video right now. So, okay. So, for us to take a guess, if we wanted to make a guess about how many of these would we need to put into these containers before they would sink? Like right now this floats, and if, so first we're gonna, I just want to, so, do you think, can you take a guess? Do you think you know how many of these would we need to put in?
Just go in there.
You're just going to try it first? Have you ever done anything where you made something float? Or made something sink?
Yes.
So, I think, I want to take a guess. I want to make a bit of a guess, because I never have used these to make this float. I've never done this before. So, first I'm going to think, have I ever done anything like this before to make a guess? Otherwise, I'm going to just sort of take a crazy guess. Because I've never done this before at all. Have you, what's your, I'm going to guess 20.
But,
How many of these?
Do it.
You're just going to do it. I would like you to make one guess first. And then
30.
30? Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to guess 20 in this one. Do you want to use the bigger one or the littler one?
Okay.
You want to use the bigger one. Okay, so let's put one in at a time. So that's 1, 2, no, it's still floating. 3, 4, 5, no, it's still floating a lot. 6, 7. I'm trying to remember to count them so that we don't lose count.
times?
7. Oh, let's put one in at a time, because if we put all of those in, we won't know exactly how many, which is the number 1. Okay, so is that 8?
8.
Yeah.
1,
8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10,
Okay.
11.
Yeah. 12. 13. 14. 15, 16. Oh, one side is sort of like sinking a little, because most of them are on one side. 16. 17, 18, 19. Oh, I like how you're putting them in one at a time, Spencer. Yeah. 21. 23. Oops, yeah, that's a little hair. Gross. 4, 5, 26, 27. Okay, whoa, that is a lot. How about one at a time again? 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. One corner is sinking. 30, 31. Oh. 32, 33, 34. Okay, one at a time. Okay, let me pass it. Here, I'll 5. 36. 37.
It's kind of like Uranus.
39.
It's
Yeah. Oopsie.
Ah.
Oh, that's okay. We could leave that one in there if we wanted. 39. 40. 41. Whoa, it's a lot. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48.
But this just
No, no, I'm curious to know how many. 48. That's 49.
it's so boring.
Yeah. 50.
Um,
Maybe it's gonna take 100. Do you want me to keep going? You put 50 in. I'll do 51. 52. 53. 54. Let's watch, it's almost there. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72, 73, 74. It's getting close. 75. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 45. Okay, now I think, Spencer, there's so many in there that I think that it's going to be very soon. Look at how close it is to sinking.
so cool.
Okay, so how many more? Do you think 5 or 10 or 15?
15.
Do you think it's going to take 100? Do you know? Okay. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay. I think I need some help watching. 91,
This is so
92,
boring.
93. You know what? Oh, Spencer, you know what? It's on the ground. Look. It did sink.
How many?
How many did I put in?
How many?
90. So let's remember this. Next time, we're thinking, how many of these does it take to float? Now we will know 90. What do you think about that? Okay. I'm curious about this. I was really wrong. I was at 20 and you were at 30. Who was the least wrong? Do you want to try to make anything else float? Like, I wonder how many, I want to be a scientist. I feel like being a scientist. How many, can we use some of the Angry Bird stuff? How many pigs does it take before to sink this? I'm kind of curious about that.
I don't know what's in it.
Okay, but then we can try them. How many pigs? Okay, 1. Can you get me some more pigs?
I guess not. That's a very poor.
I bet it's not gonna take 100 pigs. Are we all done with our experiment?
Yeah.
Okay, you know what that was called, Spencer? Excuse me, I know I lost your interest, bud, but you know what, Spencer? Look, I'm gonna make waves here. Oh, that's also a scientist.
Don't.
When we make a guess, I just wanted you to think about this. When we make a guess,
Yes, right.
then it's an experiment, and that's called being a scientist. You're a really good scientist. Thank you for helping me experiment with that. Excuse me.